because of the cold. I just finished my day of work, guys. Let me tell you that hopefully I quit. Hopefully I fucking quit, okay? What I'm gonna do after, I don't know. I don't fucking know. And that's not my problem right now, okay? My problem right now is I do not have a peace, okay? I woke up frustrated every day because I hate my job. Anyway, we're gonna make some cookies. Yay! I'm craving cookies so bad. But you know the cookies, the one like super flat but at the same time with a chocolate filling. Then I bought this. This is very popular in France, like Nutella but for the rich one. I'm not that rich, okay, but I live as I am rich because fake it until you make it, okay. Anyway, it's called nocciolata. Actually it's Italian, okay, this is from Italy. Anyway, and yeah, we're gonna make cookie with that, with a filling, with a nocciolata filling. So let's go. My day on a scale, 6, 5. The thing is, when I go to work, I would like to be pretty. I would like to be like super, like super slay, super pretty. I did a blowout yesterday. This is not for nothing. Nobody saw it. Nobody saw it because I had to tie my hair and have a cap on. Anyway, and I have like an hideous blazer that I had to put at work. So yeah, I didn't vlog at work. I'm not allowed, by the way. And also I don't want them to find me. I don't do makeup when I go to work because I'm lazy. I woke up super early and I'm lazy to do my makeup at this hour of the day. Like, anyway, let's make some cookies until I get a real job. Yeah. You had to put that in the freezer for your filling. I had to put the chocolate chip and we're done. So the cookie dough is chilling in the fridge right now and I'm gonna clean my mess because like I put flour on the floor. Oh my god. I already made some cookies yesterday, but first of all I need to refill up, and second of all they are kinda fucked up, if I can say like this. So that's why like I'm gonna remake some cookies until I'm satisfied. They are gonna be so huge and I hope I didn't miss anything. I hope they're gonna be perfect because baking a cookie is very hard actually. Most of the time people fail it, and when I say people, I talk about me. I fucked up my cookies. Well, let me explain. This is not the looks that I wanted them to have, okay? I wanted them to be flat, you know, flat, crispy on the edges and very moist on the middle, in the middle. Yes, I felt it, but the inside is kind of good actually. Like they're not that fucked up, okay? They are not that fucked up. It's okay to cry about cookies. I feel that one. It's okay. Not a big deal. I will do it better next time. I'm getting too much like for cookies actually, guys. You guys get used to that. They might be ugly, but they are so good.
I believe Jehovah Jireh. I believe there's heaven. I believe in war. I believe a woman's temple gives her the right to choose, but baby don't abort. I believe that marriage isn't between a man and woman, but between love and love. And I believe you when you said that you've lost all faith, but you must believe in something, something, something. You gotta believe in something, something, something. I still believe in man. My wise one asked me.
Amex, belt, master. That's what it's like when I see a store.
Good morning, y'all. We are like Thursday, in the middle of the week, and I'm kind of tired of my week. Okay, yesterday was Christmas, so I didn't do anything because I don't celebrate it. And today I had to go to work. Yes, yummy work. I don't want to go to work. I don't want to go to work. All I want to do is to be paid to do video. I look just awful right now, like. Just made my mood board for 2025. I made it like, I'm gonna explain it, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna explain my mood board kinda, so you guys can have a look of it. Like, for the ID, first of all, 2025, success is my destiny. I will not spend another year as a loser, okay? Money, financial future is secure. Is my year. Money. The modeling life, I put Bella Hadid because like she's kind of my role model into that industry. So yeah, Bella Hadid, especially for that show, I really loved her, and I wish, like I didn't wish, but like I saw myself in that suit doing that runaway, okay? Yeah, so Bella Hadid is kind of my motivation. On the set, a lot of trouble to London. I want to go to London so bad. London. Being paid for being me. And of course, I am a money magnet, okay? What else? I attract my own apartment, please. So yeah, this is what I claim for 2025, and it's gonna be my year. It's gonna be that. My car, driver license, a lot of follower, being a good content creator, having a career into modeling, a lot of troubles, getting paid for being me, getting paid by social medias. I am a money magnet. I am wealthy. Yes, I can afford things, and I'm off debt. I don't have debt anymore. Neither my family. It's gonna be my year.